All right, Lego fanatics, we're back. We are going to keep continuing to build this thing. So I need to put these together like this. Okay. Wait. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, that's how that's supposed to be. Got it. All right, so I'm going to put this one here, like that. I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to put it on here, like that, and then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to put it right like that. Okay, and then this should... Let's see here. How am I doing this? I've got to think about how I'm doing this. Okay, so this should connect in there. Oop, yep, and I was afraid that was going to happen. So this should be like that, and it should be able to go. Why am I not able to? Okay, I think I'm putting this on backwards. Let's see how I got this. No, it's supposed to go like that. Okay. Design flaw. Let me fix it. Because if you put it on like that, this piece is not going to connect. It's gonna, yeah, see, it's not even gonna connect in there. That doesn't make any sense. Why did they do that? Yeah, because this has got to go. Okay, I'm gonna figure it out. Come back to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.